In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background to Google Calendar. Start by opening Google Chrome. Click the address bar and go to the Google Calendar website. Once it loads, you should be on your calendar in week view with a plain white background. That is the starting point before we customize it. Open a new tab by clicking the plus button next to your current tab. In the address bar, type chromewebstore.google.com, then press enter. When the Chrome Web Store opens, click the Search the Store box in the top left. Type Custom Calendar Background and press Enter. Give the results a moment to load, then click the listing named Custom Calendar Background by useit.today. It has a blue calendar icon which helps confirm you are opening the right listing. On the extension listing page, look to the top right and click the blue Add to Chrome button. Chrome will show a confirmation pop-up. In that pop-up, click Add Extension. Wait a few seconds while Chrome installs it. When the install finishes, a small confirmation banner appears in the top right of the browser. Now, open the extension options. Click the puzzle piece icon, which is the extensions button near the address bar. In the drop-down, find Custom Calendar Background. Next to that extension, click the three-dot menu, then click Options. A new tab opens with the extension settings page, and the background section should be at the top. In the background section, choose Single Image. Click the radio button or drop-down that sets the background mode to a single image. Then click inside the image URL field. Clear any placeholder URL that is already there, so the field is ready for the background you want to use. Paste your image URL into that field. After the URL is in place, scroll to the bottom of the options page and click Save. A saved confirmation should appear briefly. Click back to your Google Calendar tab. Reload the page by pressing F5 or by clicking the browser's refresh button. When the calendar reloads, the mountain landscape appears as a full-page background behind your calendar grid and events. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Your calendar still shows week view and your events, but the plain white canvas is replaced with the mountain landscape. Switching to month, day, or schedule view keeps the same background across calendar layouts.